So yesterday morning, while we were getting ready to come out of YouTube jail, I was seeing reports on social media. Black Sherif has been ordered by court to pay 229,500 Ghana cedis in rents, blah, 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 blah. I say, no court has ordered Black Sherif to pay anything. Is that Ghana for Castle? There's a court case. They have not even gone to court yet. The case has been adjourned to March. However, they couldn't find Black Sherif, and because of that, they went to do a substituted service where they went to post something somewhere, and now people started talking. Now, these are the facts of the matter. Black Sherif's team, according to Class FM, they spoke to Black Sherif's team, and Black Sherif's team has also come with their side of the story, and I have the full gist for you. This is why Black Sherif is trending, and why the whole court case and whatever around Black Sherif. Before we get into this case, there's a new channel for Crime de la Crime. Yes, you guys have been requesting for a new channel. So now, Crime de la Crime videos are not on this particular channel, Headless YouTube, but there's a new channel for Crime de la Crime. The link is in the description and also in the pinned comments. Go and subscribe to that channel. First episode of 2026 is dropping tomorrow. Subscribe to the channel. Watch other videos, and also there's one video that we privated long time ago. We have released it right now on that channel. You can go and watch it. The pastor who killed his wife, it's over there. Go and watch it. Now, let's go to the facts of this matter. The main plaintiff for this particular case is Dr. Evelyn A.C. Awito, and she is the landlady that Black Sherif and the RBA, which is the Road Boys Association, they went to rent her house. Now, there's a case. In fact, according to her, they've not paid her rent. They owe her some amount of money. And she has been looking for them, looking to serve them. You know, when there's a court case, the writ of summons, they have to give it to you, present it to you personally to serve you. According to her, she has served the RBA, but for Black Sherif and Kasankasa, they've not been able to serve him. They've not been able to serve Black Sherif personally. And because of that, an application was written to the Adenta court on the 24th of November 2025, and that's what you're seeing on your screen right now. And it states that they have not reached the second plaintiff, which is Black Sherif, to serve him, and that's why they are writing this application, and they are applying for a substituted service. If someone wants to sue you and they have to present you the writ of summons and they can't get it to you personally, now they can get a substituted service, which means they can serve you through other means, like maybe radio or TV, or they'll go to your house and they'll go and paste the writ of summons on your wall, on your office space, wherever they think you will be. Maybe Zamadisco Gates crowd, they'll go and paste it. Paste it there. And that is what they were supposed to do. So this application was filed on the 24th of November, but then the courts granted them the permission on the 3rd of December, and that they will go and paste it on the notice board of the court and some other places, and it will be there for 7 days. So on the 3rd of December 2025 was when they were supposed to go and paste it over there. Now the case itself, it has been adjourned to the Tuesday, 3rd March at 8 a.m. at the Adenta court. So you there. Now, what is the matter? And why are they looking for Black Sherif to serve him and they haven't? And because of that, they had to go and do substituted service, and it has now become a big thing on the internet. This is the facts of the matter. Now, if you're going to pay substituted service, you have to add the statement of claim. Normal, the NCAD, they will just serve you that come. But because they are going to paste it, they will paste everything, so that if you come and see it, you read everything and know what is it. We went to the court today to go and see whether it is still there. It's not there. However, these are the facts of the matter. According to Dr. Evelyn A.C. Awito, in August 2023, Black Sherif ordered RBA, which is the Road Boys Association, his squad, his management, ordered them to come and rent her house, which is located at the NTHC estates in Adjringano, to use as a residence. According to her, when they came, she told them that the rent is $1,600 a year, and they calculated for 1 year, which was $19,200, and they paid. So in August 2023, they became tenants of Dr. Evelyn A.C. Awito. So after 1 year of being in the house, their rent was supposed to expire ending of July 2024. And that was when they went back to the landlady to go and tell her that they are interested in renting the house for another year. Because normally when you rent the house and it's almost time for you to like maybe move out or whatever, you can let them know that, oh, I want to stay or I want to move out, whatever it is. So they went there to go and negotiate the terms of the rent again. And when they went, this lady had increased the price. Right now it is $1,700 a month. She just added $100 to it, $100 monthly. Why they are renting in dollars in Ghana, it's another issue. So this time $1,700 for a year will be $20,400. And with this, the Road Boys Association RBA made a commitment of a little over 70,000 Ghana cedis, which they made this payment on the 27th of June 2024. That's when they made this particular payment, part payment or a commitment, so that the woman will not go and rent the house to somebody else. Now, since then, according to this lady, the rent hasn't come again. RBA has not paid rent again. So right now, RBA is owing her 229,500 Ghana cedis and some other this because they've been in the house all this while. Now, Class FM spoke to RBA. According to them, some sources in RBA told them that on 29th February 2024, Accra High Court placed an order on the house that the house, somebody has come to use the house as collateral to take a loan, and they were supposed to pay back, and they've not paid back, and because of that, they are laying injunction on the house. The house cannot be sold, cannot be rented, cannot be gifted to anybody, and this order was given by the Accra High Court on the 29th of February 2024. Now, since that time, when that notice came to post that notice on the house, whatever happened, that one, unless RBA come and tell us, because we don't know what happened, the negotiation that went on between RBA and the courts, RBA and the bank, RBA and whoever, we don't know. But all we know is Madam Evelyn Esi Awito is saying that they owe her some rent and they need to pay. Now, the bank that came to paste that notice on the wall, at some point they tried to auction the house. As to whether they auctioned the house and RBA bought the house from them, that's why they are not sending rent again to the woman because they own the house, I don't know. As to whether now they are paying rent to the bank, I don't know. That one, when they go to court on the 3rd of March, they'll go and do their same over there. But what is happening is that this lady has some demands. When the thing that she went to post on their wall, you can see long one. If you read it, it gets to the bottom of it. These are the things that she's claiming from them. 6 things. Number 1, recovery of a sum of 229,500 Ghana cedis being outstanding rent as at 31st July 2025. So from the June 2024 until 31st July 2025, that's 1 year that they agreed on the $1,700 a month that they paid a little over 70,000 Ghana cedis out of. When they did the conversion, they are owing her 229,500 Ghana cedis. That's what they are owing her, and they should give her that one. Aside that, number 2, interest on the said rent outstanding at the prevailing bank rate stated from August 2024 up to full amount shall be paid. Interest, the money that they have not paid, the 200 and that they have not paid, interest on that money, because if they had paid that money, the value of that money then is not the value now. So interest, they should take it for her. Also, recovery of the premises from the defendants. They should eject them from there and give her back her house. Why are they still in the house? Maybe they've bought it too. Anyway, they ain't twasso. Number 4, an order to the defendants to pay the rent of $1,700 in its Ghana cedi equivalent per month until they vacate the premises. That's what they want. That's what she wants. Until they vacate the premises, or if the court orders them to leave, all the time they will be doing, maybe dragging their feet. Oh, now that we are coming to move our speakers from the studio, now that all the time that they will spend over there, $1,700, and in its CD equivalent, the court should take it from them. Also, an order that the defendants shall settle all bills that are part of the obligation of the defendant, as in the where they are, no, the estates that they are in, no. Whether light bill, outstanding light bill, water bill, sanitation bill, whatever bill that is there outstanding, they have to settle all that bill. And then let's leave the house for her. As they came to meet the house, it should be inhabitable. The house should be in a state that another person can come and live in. So if some place is spoiled, they should fix it. Some place is broken, they should fix it. Something is destroyed, whatever it is, they should fix it and make the house tenantable. As in, somebody else can come and live in the house in very good conditions as they are being vacated by the honorable court. After that, the cost, all her legal fees, that one to RBA and Black Sherif, they should pay. And this is what she wants. So right now, the Black Sherif has not been ordered to pay. This is the case. And now it has been adjourned to Tuesday, 3rd March 2026. And when we go to court, can't we, because we will be there. So when we go to court, that is where we will see what is going on. That one, RBA will come and tell their side of the story. Black Sherif, this is a civil case. Black Sherif doesn't necessarily need to be in the court. So Black Sherif will not be in the court to go and sit down and go and de-assem. No, it's not a criminal case. He will not be there. RBA cried, they can send their lawyer. Their lawyer will go and do everything. The RBA people they shouldn't be there. They can decide not to be there. They will do whatever will be done, do the ruling, and then we will know. But as to why they didn't pay the rent, why maybe they own the house now because the bank auctioned it, there are possibilities, and a lot of endless possibilities. But then it is up to them in court to decide or to explain to us and to the honorable court what will happen. So on the 3rd of March 2026, there will be at the Adenta court to do the assembly.